afternoon, everyone. My name is Miles McEwing, and I'm the General Manager of Porsche Centre Calgary, and I want to talk to you about a restoration project we've been working on. So when we got the car in December of 2013, I was super impressed. I mean, it was a very, very nice example. The previous owner had kept incredibly good care of the car, and that's the interesting thing about these cars. They last a long time and they last forever, and people put their own mark on it. And the current owner of this car is someone we've known for a long time, and he's in the bodywork business. He wanted to make this car a little different. He's added some flares to it, and it's been an interesting project because we've done everything in-house that we can. It's fun to see that, and it really does help to show off the skills that we've developed here and kind of our commitment to the program. Engagement is the piece I'm looking for, and what Porsche Passion means to me is that feeling that they evoke that engagement, and I really do think that's the appropriate word for what it does to me.
My name is Casey Connor. I'm the service manager at Porsche Centre Calgary. When we started this project, we did have a vision. That vision has changed drastically, however. Started as a white, wide-body Carrera, the turbo look, with a martini livery. Everything you add to these costs money, and they can start to balloon as the scope of the project changes. And then the color scheme is just completely different than anything we could have ever imagined. There were certainly delays on parts more or less across the board. It had an effect on our team, from the classic service advisor to the technicians in the shop who have many, many years of experience. Porsche Passion is a way of life. I'm inflicted with this. I've been a Porsche fan more or less my whole life. I've always strived to be a part of this brand. They make, in my opinion, the best product out there.
My name is Bradley Rieger. Generally, older vehicles. And over time, things wear. You know, they're not the same car that rolled off the assembly line. Maintaining them is a big thing when it comes to the classics. There'd be oil changes, tires, alignments. It's kind of hard to not like them, to not have passion about the different kinds, the different models. They're all unique. You know, it's hard to not have passion about a brand that can do that. A lot of the owners have multiple Porsches, and that's just because they're all unique. They're all a different experience when you get in them. The same amount of passion for each of the ones that they own. I mean, some customers might like one better than the other, but they still have those other models because it's a completely different experience. It's part of the process.
My name is Gordon Stout. I started at a Porsche dealer in 1981, and I was there till 1989. Then I had a break at different German products and came back to Porsche in 2014. And I've been working here on the classics since January 2022. My favorite step is the engine rebuild. That's the challenging part, making all the new clean parts fit. They tend to be much more mechanical and adjustable. The quality can't be surpassed. I worked on basically all the German cars throughout the years, and came back to Porsche, realized that was, if I'm gonna work on cars, that's the car to work on. There's no comparison. All the other cars claim this or claim that, and then Porsche proves them wrong. You can also take a person and you take them for a ride in the right one. It's an education. They might not go out and buy one. They might not even want one, but they get out understanding why so many people do.
My name is Loc Ngo. I'm the owner of Cosmos Collision, and I'm an auto body technician by training. So I'm a licensed and rescue technician in 1985. So right now will be 34 years. For my car, my specialty on the body side, but on mechanical, I'm very fortunate to work with someone just really passionate. So everything going to my car right now is the best it could be. We can make the car go faster and more power, but I want something more like streetable. What dictates the quality of the work is not me. It was judged by the Porsche Classic Standard. So that is something really high up.